Today's wine text is the Cantina del Redi 2015 Toscana Rosso. So we've done a bunch of Toscana Rossos in the past. This one I think is a little bit more specialized. It's a smaller production, family owned, really old caves, a really cool aging process. Definitely spending time in new American oak and a couple other things going on as well. But this Toscana Rosso specifically is 100% Sangiovese, a lot like Chianti's, a lot like Brunellos or Montalcinos and things of that nature. And I think there's a lot of similarities, more on the Chianti side than the Brunello side. I know that the alcohol level is around like 13.5, 14%. It's definitely going to be, I think, a medium-bodied wine. Some red fruit there, a little bit of earth, a little bit of savoriness as well. Really cool wine. Probably one of the best table Italian wines that we've done so far. But I'm really excited to taste it. So right off the bat, the color itself, even for Rosso Toscana, kind of like the definition of Sangiovese, especially in its purity. Not super dark, but not super light. It's kind of that in-between. You can see through it, but it's definitely a little opaque. On the nose, there's definitely a lot of bright cherries, a lot of red fruit coming through, a little bit of this kind of fresh bruised, almost plum thing coming on, but a lot of that kind of leathery tobacco kind of earthiness that comes through too as well. As I expected with Sangiovese, just naturally being pretty high acid, my mouth's like still watering. But the tannin structure there is as well. I think all the fruits kind of come through, all the earthiness is kind of the same. But this is the definition of a medium-bodied wine. I don't think it's light like Pinot Noir, but I don't think it's really full like Cabernet. It's like kind of dead in the middle, which makes it super versatile for a million different foods. This is the kind of thing that I would put on the table when people are eating a bunch of different things. You want to find something that goes a little bit with everything. This is the perfect wine for something like that. Really cool. I mean, the finish is actually surprisingly long. Super satisfying. Definitely want to drink it now. I don't think this is a wine that'll last 10, 15 years like other Toscana Rossos or Super Tuscans. I mean, 3 to 5 years is probably the limit that I put it on, but super delicious, easy drinking, a really awesome red wine for you guys.